Powering up your Bibo Bar. Insert the Bibo Bar plug into a 3-pin plug point. Please ensure that the hot tank switch at the back is off. Next, turn on the power switch. The display screen will light up with the Bibo logo and a zapper test will automatically follow. This indicates that your Bibo Bar is operating correctly. Then, your home screen will come up. Now you can turn on the hot tank switch at the back. A message will appear asking you to fill the hot water tank. Place a mug under the water outlets. Make sure to push the hot water button once to start the filling process. Do not push any other buttons whilst the water tank is filling. The hot water filling process has been completed once water starts to flow into the mug. If you've pressed a button by mistake, please switch off the heating switch immediately and restart. Once the water starts flowing into the mug, you can push any button once to end the filling setup. The hot tank will now heat up. You'll follow a similar process for filling of the cold water tank. Touch the cold water button and wait for the water to dispense into the mug. Touch any button to stop the flow. If you've pressed a button by mistake, simply start again by touching the cold water button. You need to drain at least 1.5 liters from each of the tanks before drinking from your Bibo Bar. Place a jug or pot underneath the water outlets. Press the unlock button followed by the hot water button once to start the draining process. Do not press any other buttons. It will automatically stop dispensing once 1.5 liters has been drained. Repeat this with the chilled water button. Because water is our most precious resource, we ask that you reuse this water in the garden, for cleaning, or whatever suits you best. There you have it. Your installation is complete, and you're ready to enjoy the convenience and benefits of pure, healthy water on tap. But if you've just watched to the end of this video series and realized this whole self-installation thing is just not for you, or if anything is a little unclear, we've got an excellent team of installation experts ready and waiting to help. Please don't hesitate to call us on 0800 00 BIBO. That's 0800 00 2426. Bibo, changing your water consumption forever.